Hello, everyone! Today we're going to talk about vital signs, the most important indicators of our body's basic functions. So, what are vital signs? Vital signs are the measurements that show how well the body is working. They help doctors and nurses check if a person is healthy or if there's a problem that needs attention. There are four main vital signs. Temperature, it measures how hot or cold the body is. Normal body temperature is about 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. Pulse heart rate, it tells how many times the heart beats per minute. Normal pulse for adults is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Respiration rate, it's the number of breaths a person takes per minute. Normal rate is around 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Blood pressure, it measures the force of blood pushing against the walls of the arteries. Normal blood pressure is around 120/80ths mmHg. Sometimes we also include oxygen saturation SPO, which shows how much oxygen the blood carries. Normal level is 95 to 100%. By checking vital signs regularly, healthcare professionals can detect early signs of illness, monitor treatment, and make sure patients are safe and stable. So remember, a vital signs equals vital information. They are small numbers that tell us a big story about health.